Only these two ingredients can make a difference in your hair game. If you're suffering from alopecia, thinning, breakage, shedding, and dry flaky scalp, you need this extra potent hair growth tonic. If you are experiencing slow hair growth, bald spots, dry hair strands, and weak edges, you really need to make this powerful hair tonic. With this hair tonic, your hair will grow crazy fast and become very thick to handle. I've been using this tonic for years now, and I can tell you that it works. Please stop using boring water on your hair that you are trying to nurse back to life. This hair tonic is for all hair types, both for kinky, curly curls, as well as 3A, 4C hair types. On today's video, I share the most powerful and potent hair growth spray for extreme hair growth. You will see results using this treatment in less than 1 month. To begin, grab a sterile jar like so. Always make sure that whichever apparatus you're using is well sterilized. My very first ingredient for today's recipe is cinnamon sticks. You can use cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks, just as I'm using in this video. The choice is yours. Cinnamon is a miracle cure for hair loss. Research shows that cinnamon can help stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. Cinnamon is used to treat scalp acne. It can also be used to reduce hair breakage and split ends. Cinnamon also has the ability to boost blood circulation in the scalp. As a result, more amount of blood with oxygen and nutrients can reach the hair follicles, nourish and rejuvenate them, which lead to better and healthier hair growth. For the proportion, I used 2 sticks of cinnamon, which I tossed into the sterile jar. Moving on to our next ingredient, we have rosemary leaves. Rosemary strengthens hair follicles to produce fortified hair strands. They fight dandruff, reduce inflammation on the scalp, help soothe conditions like scalp eczema and scalp psoriasis. They nourish the hair follicles with hair growth nutrients. Rosemary also helps control an excessive oily scalp. They protect the hair cuticles from damage, promotes thicker hair growth, makes your hair volumized and shiny. Most importantly, rosemary stimulates blood circulation on the scalp. I always get asked where I buy my rosemary leaves in the comment section of most of my videos. Please, if you're in Nigeria, I buy my rosemary leaves in ShopRite. If you can't get your hands on the fresh rosemary leaves, you can use the dried version. So for the proportion, I used about 3 stalks of rosemary leaves. If you're using the dried version, you can use 2 tablespoons of the dried rosemary leaves. Toss it into the jar, and next is to boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius. For the proportion, I poured about 500 ml worth of hot water into the jar and then covered up the jar and brewed for 12 hours. Please do not exceed 12 hours because if you do, you are actually fermenting this product. Please, you do not need to ferment this product. Just brew for 8 to 12 hours. I highly recommend 12 hours. After 12 hours, this product is ready. You can just leave it on your tabletop, just as I left mine. Allow it to sit for 12 hours. If you don't have time on your side, you can do 8 hours, but I highly recommend you do 12 hours. So after 12 hours of infusion, this is the color that this product is giving me. Proceed for sieving. For the sieving process, I'm using a bowl and a strainer. This is the color that we have. This color shows you that the cinnamon and the rosemary has released all their nutrients in the hot water. So I'll go ahead and sieve this. Do you consider this as pink or amber? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So after sieving, the next thing is to transfer into our spray bottle. The reason why I use spray bottle for most of our hair tonics or hair teas is because I find it fun using it in spray bottle than just pouring it on my hair or just using it in applicator bottle. I don't know if you understand this. This hairspray is everything and more. Do not miss making this. Try it and you'll be glad you did. All hair porosities can use this spray, whether high or low porosity. Whether your hair is relaxed or not, you can still use this spray. This spray is for those that want their hair to be thick, for those that are shedding, those that their hair is breaking, those that their hair is thinning, those that their hair is stuck at same hair length. You need to make this spray in your home. This is 100% natural, so you have nothing to worry about. If you're using it as a tea rinse, please go ahead and use it after deep conditioning, shampooing and deep conditioning. Pour this on your hair, allow it to dry, do not rinse it out. Proceed to moisturizing your hair after applying this unwashed hair. But if you want to use it as a leave-in, just as I'm using, if you want to use it the way I'm using as a base for my moisture routine, you can go ahead and apply it, use it to hydrate your hair, then follow up with your leave-in conditioner just as I'm using in this video, and then see with your hair growth oil or whipped butter cream. If there is any way you've got bald spots on your head, go ahead and use this on those problem areas. Give yourself a gentle massage. Also, don't forget your hair growth oil. I suggest you use hair growth oil that have got castor oil in it. Massage that area, whether you're using it on your bald spots or you're using it as a moisturizer or you're using it for hair growth or you're using it for your thick hair. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Must not use this every day for it to work. Too much of everything is bad, so no need to use it every day. Just use it 2 to 3 times weekly, but just be consistent and you will definitely see results. I so much love this spray. I love it so much, from the color to the scent to everything about this spray. The potency is amazing. Do not miss this. Share this video with your friends that have got problems with their hair. That brings me to the end of today's video. Please, if you have any question for me, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below and I will definitely reply you, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.